These are the unit test cases this code has generated automatically. Okay, so let us go through them. First one is setup. The name of the class is sentiment analyzer test. Then setup method. Then comes test analyze sentiment, another test case. Then then comes another test case, test analyze sentiment with null pipeline. Then there is one more test case called test analyze sentiment with multiple sentences. So these are the three unit test cases this Java code has generated with the help of AI. So let us see how this is done. For that, what you have to do is we need to write a small Java code which is already written, but I will explain to you. So basically we are using Ollama. Ollama is the inference engine, and using the Ollama chat model, which is provided by the LangChain4j framework, we are creating a builder with the base URL, model name, then the timeout, and we are building the chat language model. So here the model name is Llama 3.1 latest, and the base URL is localhost, and the port is 11434. So with this we are generating the chat language model. So once we generate the chat language model, we need to use the Java source code. Okay, so here we are actually creating a Java source code instead of reading it from a file. So we have assigned this Java source code to a variable called content. Next is we need to have a prompt. The prompt is refactor this Java code and generate few unit test cases, and we are passing the above content along with that. So the prompt looks like something like this, the prompt and the source code. Then we are calling model.chat, then we are passing the prompt method. Above prompt method we are passing to the chat method of chat language model. This will give you a response in the form of string. That's it. That is what we have seen it in the console. Okay, let us just run it. So before I run this code, I want to tell you one more thing. This is very important. Take a look at this timeout duration of minutes 5. This is mandatory. Otherwise, it will time out. The LangChain4j has got a default timeout of I think 1 minute or 60 seconds. So if that LLM inference is taking more than that, then it will give you a timeout exception. So in order to avoid that, please add this timeout and duration of minutes 5 along with the model. Okay, now let us run this code. It started now. It will take some time because my laptop is having around 16 GB of RAM, so it will take some time. It will take some time, so you have to be very patient. Okay, you got the output. It is giving a response, unit test cases with test negative sentiment, then test positive sentiment, then test empty input, etc. etc. So test null input. So these are the test cases it generated. So this is the way we can generate the unit test cases using Java and AI. So if you like my video, please give me some comments that will help me to improve the video. Thank you.